Kia ora guys, welcome to the channel Knives on Flames. This is Taj. If you guys are new to the channel, please do subscribe and just click the red icon below. It's free and it's easy, just like the recipe today, that is easy coconut burfi cups. Heat on. I've got a pan, we'll use the pan. If you guys have got a small pot or a pan like this, anything that comes in handy. Add 2 teaspoons ghee. Then add 2.5 cups of desiccated coconut. Now we are gonna roast the coconut. Make sure to keep the flame on low to medium so it doesn't burn. Now the coconut is nicely roasted. It's got a really nice golden color. I've got 1 cup of warm milk. Of course, if you guys are doing dairy free or vegan, you guys can always use rice milk or almond milk or soy milk. Continue cooking the coconut and milk a little more so that the desiccated coconut absorbs all the moisture. Next thing to go in there, 1.5 cup of sugar. I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of shredded desiccated coconut, some ground cardamom, now you get the fragrance of cardamom cooking with coconut. That's so amazing. So we're just about there, guys. So all the moisture is pretty much just gone. As you guys can have a look, there's nothing down in the pan. We'll cook it off, whatever's left in there. So this is it, guys. We'll dish it up now. So our mix is ready to go into the tins. What I've got here is one rectangular baking tray. But what I've also got over here is a muffin tray. And I've put muffin cups in there. So I thought I'll give muffin cups a go. So guys, our coconut burfi cups are all set to go in the fridge. We're gonna leave it in the fridge for 5 to 6 hours for them to set. And I've made a tricolor out of the coconut burfi cups for Diwali special. We'll see how it comes out. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Please do give it a try at home and have a very safe and happy Diwali with your family and friends.